you mentioned the word hallucination. And anyone who's played with any of these products has probably experienced a moment where it appears that the bot has hallucinated. One of the things we hear from people in the industry is they say, you know what, we can't really explain why it hallucinates, and we can't really explain what's going on inside the box. Can you?
I think, so I can't, in a way that would satisfy you. But I also can't explain why you chose to wear a blue shirt this morning. I can explain very little about who you or I are. The requirement for explanation is, I think, again, a little bit of a human bias. When I ask you to explain why you had scrambled eggs for breakfast this morning, you will creatively imagine an explanation in hindsight. And depending on your mood and the context that you're in and the other associated metadata of the explanation, you're probably going to say it slightly differently. And it's not clear that it was entirely causal. There is some basis in reality for it, but this one-to-one mapping is a very hyper-rational imposition on the way that we think as humans. In fact, we just don't really operate like that. We operate, I think, far more by association.
Should we worry about that, though? I mean, should we worry that it's one thing to not understand ourselves. It's another to not understand how the computer gets, most people think that all of this is just a big mathematical problem, right? 2 + 2 should always equal 4.